Exponential is of the form, say y is equals to exponential f of x. That is an exponential function. Now, how do we handle or solve exponential function? It's very, very simple. Let's say I have a function y equals to exponential 2x. To solve exponential function, you use chain rule. You use what? Chain rule. And what does chain rule state? That dy over the x is equals to what? 1, 2, go. dy du times what? du over the x. That's what you use. So let's use this to solve this. So we said y is equals to exponential 2x. You now say let u be equals to what? 2x. 2x is the polynomial function. Abi? Yeah. Good. So what are we going to do? We differentiate what? U with respect to what? X. So that means du over dx. Class is equals to what? 2. What's the derivative of 2x? 2. Now let's go back to this. We have y to the equals to exponential. What is 2x? U. So carry u. Put here. Look at it. U. Remember you said u is equals to 2x, right? So you carry this u, put in the place of what? 2x. So now what are you going to differentiate with respect to what? Good. dy over du is equals to 1. Now, let's do this. Note this, that if y is equals to exponential x, dy over dx is equals to exponential x. That is the answer. Meaning that the derivative of exponential x is what? Exponential x. So what will be the derivative of exponential u? Okay, so there's proof for that, but we are not interested in that for now. Okay, so let's come back here. What's the derivative of exponential u? Exponential u. So that's dy over the x is equals to dy du times what? Good. du dx. So that means that dy dx is, what is dy du? So what is dy du?
Exponential u.
Exponential u. So you put it there, exponential u. Times, what is du dx? 2. Times 2. So it therefore means that dy dx is equals to 2 times exponential u, 2 exponential. What is u? 2x. You put it back, 2x. That is how to differentiate exponential function.
Bam.
Is equals to maybe exponential into 5x squared plus 3x. It's very simple. You are going to say that u is equals to what? The polynomial function here, right? Which is what? 5x squared plus 3x. Then that means du over dx is equals to what? 1, 2, go. 10x plus 3. The derivative of this is this, right? The derivative of 3x is what? 3. Good. So that means that y is equals to exponential. What is 5x squared plus 3x? U. So carry u, put there. You have exponential u. So that means dy over du is equals to what?
Exponential u.
What's the derivative of exponential u?
Exponential u.
So that means that dy over dx is, what's the formula? dy
over du
times what? Du over dx. Which means that dy over dx is, what's dy du? Exponential u. What's du dx?
10x plus 3.
10x plus 3. Good. So that means that dy over dx is exponential u times 10x plus 3 is what? 10x plus 3 exponential u. And what is u? 5x squared plus what? 3x.